In this question, different electrons are represented by using all the four quantum numbers. We have to identify the correct decreasing order of the energy of these electrons. First of all, let's find out the orbital in which these electrons are accommodated by using the quantum numbers. In the first one, we can see the principal quantum number is 4 and the azimuthal quantum number is 2. It means the electron is present in 4d orbital. Similarly, in the second one, we can see that n value is 3 and n value is 2. So this electron is in 3d subshell. The third one is given as n value 4 and L value 1. So this electron is present in 4p orbital. And the last one is n equal to 3, L equal to 1. So this electron is in 3p orbital. Now, all these orbitals can be arranged in increasing order of energy by using the given diagram. From this diagram, it is clear that the energy of 3p orbital is less than that of the 3d orbital, and the next higher energy is for 4p orbital and highest energy is for 4d orbital, because we have the sequence 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d. So from these we can see the 3p orbitals have less energy. Then the next one will be for 3d and the next is 4p and the highest energy orbital is 4d. So from these options the correct answer is option B.